I used to make sandwiches the boring way. 2 slices of bread, throw some stuff in the middle, done. And honestly, they were fine, but just fine. Then, one morning, I tried wrapping everything in egg instead of bread, and I am telling you, I have never gone back. Today, I'm going to show you 3 incredible egg wrap sandwiches, soft crispy on the outside, melty on the inside, and honestly, way better than anything you'd order at a cafe. And the best part, you only need 1 pan, a few basic ingredients, and about 10 minutes. Let's do this. Let me walk you through what you'll need for all 3 sandwiches. You'll need 3 eggs total, 1 egg per sandwich. 3 slices of sandwich bread. 3 slices of American cheese. 3 slices of ham. A few strips of bacon, already cooked and crispy. 1 ripe avocado, thinly sliced. Some green onion, finely chopped. And 3 small pats of unsalted butter. Alright, step 1, the classic ham and cheese egg wrap. Crack 1 egg into a bowl. Add a teaspoon of chopped green onion and whisk until fully combined, smooth, no streaks. Heat your non-stick pan over low heat. I really mean low. This is the most important thing. Low heat is your best friend here. Add butter and let it melt slowly. Once foaming, pour in the egg and tilt the pan so it spreads into a thin, even circle. While the egg is still wet on top, lay 2 slices of bread right on top. Press down gently. Wait 30 seconds. Flip the whole thing over. Now fold the extra egg edges in toward the centre, snug like a little package. Lay 1 slice of ham across the top, then 1 slice of American cheese. Fold the sandwich in half. Cook 20 to 30 seconds per side until golden outside, melted inside. The outside is golden and slightly crispy. The egg is soft and custardy. The ham is warm and savoury. And that cheese is stretchy and melted all the way through. Quick question, are you team ham and cheese or do you always go straight for bacon? Drop it in the comments. Now for step 2, the avocado egg wrap. And this is my personal favourite. Same process, whisk 1 egg, low heat, butter, spread thin bread on top while wet, wait 30 seconds, flip, fold the edges in. 1 slice of ham first, then layer your avocado slices, 4 to 5 thin slices spread across the whole surface. American cheese right on top. Fold in half, press gently, cook 20 to 30 seconds per side. The avocado is warm and buttery, the cheese melted around it. The egg wrap holds everything together perfectly, packed with protein and healthy fats. Okay, step 3. The bacon and cheese egg wrap. If the first two were good, this one is next level. Same egg and bread technique. For this one, lay pre-cooked bacon strips edge to edge across the top. Bacon in every single bite. Fold in half, press gently. Cook 20 to 30 seconds per side. The bacon is still crispy inside. The cheese perfectly melted. The egg exterior slightly golden, just a little chewy in the best way. I'm not gonna lie, this replaced pancakes on Saturday mornings in my house. Every single week. So here's my question. Which of these 3 would you make first? The ham and cheese, the avocado, or the crispy bacon? Let me know. I read every single comment. And there you have it. 3 egg wrap sandwiches that are going to completely change your breakfast routine. 1 pan, 1 technique, 10 minutes. If you tried one today, take a photo, drop it in the comments. Your kitchen wins are my favourite thing to wake up to. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Emma Tips for more practical kitchen ideas that actually work.